do we actually even know how to perceive the world around us? Design is about working in the world, changing things, modifying, engaging.
Design is always like an intuition, an idea.
Making things that are invisible, visible.
Mindful way of looking at your everyday life and trying to record as much of it so you can use it later.
So together with a group of students who are here in the high alpine, sleeping in a mountain hut, exploring our relationship with nature, our relationship with each other, and leaving our everyday lives in order to gain perspective on those lives.
We are immersed in this kind of experience.
We have the chance to discover new ways of caring outside of our ordinary perspectives.
We are creating ideas, we are creating innovation, we are creating movement.
Entering really deeply into the details that you cannot observe in the busy and chaotic city.
Gets us more creative, gets us thinking about new ways of seeing the world.
How can we see the chair as if we've never seen a chair before? How can we see a lamp or a car or a street or a public square as if it's the first time?
The history of this tree, which are the strongest parts, which are the weakest parts.
Stay grounded and stay in the moment.
What it usually happens when you try to think.
Means mostly connecting with our roots, trying to understand where we come from and our nature, being able to project the future and understand where we are meant to be in the future.
And that point, you truly know something. And it is at that point that we can design truly powerful and meaningful designs. We can produce work that actually can influence the world in a positive way. Otherwise, it's just speculation.